Hi, Danielle here from the Swan Tavern inside the Schoolhouse. This week we're heading into Easter, so I'm going to show you how to make my favorite candy bar, an Almond Joy. We're going to turn it into a martini and it's going to taste just like the candy bar. The ingredients we're going to use today is Parrot Bay coconut rum. You can use any coconut rum you like, but I find this to be the best. We have Frangelico, which is actually hazelnut, but it's going to taste like nuts. It's going to replace our almonds. Dark cream de cocoa, of course, is the chocolate. For a little more coconut, we're going to do a tiny bit of coconut cream, and I have some half and half to make it nice, smooth, and creamy for us. So this is a martini, served it up in a martini glass. We are going to chill our glass. Ice and soda water, like always. Set that off to the side. In the shaker, we'll put some ice, and we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of the Parrot Bay. We can use our measuring tool here. So 1.5 ounces. It's gonna be 1/2 ounce to 3/4 ounce of the chocolate, and the same amount of the Frangelico. Now just a tiny bit of the coconut cream. This is about 1 ounce of half and half, or milk, or whatever cream you'd like to use. So we'll shake this together. Empty our glass. This is one where you could line the rim with chocolate if you like. It does make a mess and it's not so fun to wash, so we're not going to do that today. But here you have it. A yummy Almond Joy martini. So, as always, I'd like to thank you for watching. Please share this video, please like our page, and I want to know what your favorite candy bar is and what you want to see in your Easter basket this Sunday. So please comment below, let us know, and have a great week. See you soon.